What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to talk about AMC, GME and the broader market, and after that we're going to check the options flow for all three of them. So today AMC was down for 0.388%. Just by looking at this chart from $30.19 tops, we have been going down in a pattern which we can never recognize what kind of a pattern it is. It is all algorithmic trading that's happening over here. They're trying to drive down the price because they need to hedge the position of this monthly expiration on the 21st of January. The price action on AMC just doesn't make any sense, but people are just still buying and holding the stock. And when we look at the average volume for AMC, it's 42.17 million, but today it was around 33.14 million. The volume is there, but it's not that heavy that it can create some sort of a squeeze in AMC. Now when we come over to the Stocko tracker, we can see on the 21st of January 2022, we still have 108,281 contracts in the money. So what does that mean is this, that if these individuals exercise their call options, the market maker needs to provide them shares which can create some sort of a gamma squeeze in the AMC entertainment stock. Now this is a position that the market makers are trying to hedge. The price action that we are seeing on AMC towards the downside is just because of this. The lower the price goes down, these contracts are going to get out of the money. Now there are two scenarios in front of us. Number one scenario is the price just keeps going down just because they need to hedge this position, which is massive. Or second, things get out of control. We might get a squeeze by the end of January. Now let's have a look at the options flow for AMC. So by looking at the options flow, a lot of people are buying call option today, and these are big whales. These are 686 contract at 24 call. These are 265 contracts for $20 call, 199 for $23 call, and 317 for 23 call again, and 94 for $15 call. So these individuals are betting that the stock price is going to go up from here onwards. Now this is the individual who's betting that the stock is going to go down from here onwards. He's buying a $27 put which came in today, and this individual hasn't closed his position by now. By the end of the day, he's still betting that the stock will keep going down, and the expiration on this contract is on the 7th, which is by the end of this week. And these are 1881 contracts. That's a lot of money that's being involved on the downside of the AMC. There are a few more small whales buying some put option on AMC, which doesn't indicate anything. Now AMC is in a very oversold state right now. You can see the RSI has gone down way too much. Now there is a clear indication that's coming out of the stock is these market makers are trying their level best to bring down the price of AMC in order to just hedge monthly expiration that's going to happen at the end of the January. Now let's have a look at the GameStop. Now the same sort of a chart pattern that's coming in the GameStop as well. You can see it for yourself. This is the same sort of a price action, but GME is holding far more better than AMC, that's for sure. And when we look at the average volume for GME, it's 2.34 million. Again, the volume is 1.83 million on GME. The volume is very consistent on GME as compared to AMC. Now let's have a look at the options flow for GME. So just by looking at the options flow, I can tell you a lot of people are very bullish on GME right now. A lot of call contracts are coming into the GameStop options flow, but there is no major whale that is coming in and buying a lot of contracts in GME. But these small investors, they are also betting that the stock is going to go up from here onwards. Now when we come over to the SPY, we can see the SPY was down for 0.3% for the day. In the morning, the SPY went down quite a bit. There is no major news out there which can create a significant downtrend on SPY. We are having the usual Evergrande crisis happening in China, rising in cases of COVID all around the world. That is something the SPY is completely ignoring right now. And when we have a look for the markets all around the world, majority of the exchange all around the world were in green. Now let's have a look at the options flow for the SPY. So by looking at the options flow for the SPY, I can say a lot of people are on the bullish side. for the SPY. Now here a whale with 3,715 contracts is buying a $500 call option on the SPY. This is a huge amount of money that is being involved in SPY. Most likely this is the same individual who's selling a $405 put on SPY, just collecting some premium out of it. And both of these bets are towards the bullish direction. So we can expect a little bit more upward momentum into the SPY. Next few weeks are gonna be very exciting. Hope so you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Cheers.